get your signature. And it's that easy, and it even looks way slicker than the first one. And that's it. That is how you can add your signature using Microsoft Word. Hello guys, and welcome to AI Plus More, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can add your signature on Microsoft Word. Now, it will be very simple, so I'm going to be needing your full attention from the beginning until the end. So I will be showing you two methods for this video, and the first method will be when you don't have a way of doing a signature digitally. So you will have to do it by hand and then take a picture of it. Such an example is like this one here. So this one here is an example that I made. So it's a photo that I taken of a not really a signature. It's just a random doodle that I did on a piece of paper, and let's just pretend for a second right now that this is a signature. So let's say this is our signature and we want to put this onto our Word document. Now we don't want it to look like this. It's gonna look so out of place, right? So first of all, let's head over to picture format, and then let's click on crop over here in the top right corner of your screen, and let's make sure that it's only this small part over here that will be shown. We don't need the extra amount of paper around it. And then now what we have is still slightly darker, or very much darker compared to the surrounding paper around it. So what we need to do is double click on this picture again, and we head over here to color. And then from here we go over to recolor and choose the black and white 50%. And as you can see, it is now like one with the other page, and that's how you can add it using the first method. Another method would be much easier, and you go over to e-signature maker, which is what I usually do a lot. So for example, this one right here, signwell.com, you just need to use their technology. So you can either draw a signature using your mouse or type it. So let's say I want to just draw, and my signature is like this. Let's say it's like that. So as you can see, it does automatically fix it. I'm using a mouse for this one, to be honest, and it looks so amazing. So let's say it's like this. That's my signature. Okay, so let's say that's my signature. Although I'm just really like doing random things. So let's say that's my signature. All you need to do now is save, and you can even turn it into a transparent background, so you don't need to go through all of that coloring and stuff, recolor. And as you can see, you have it here in just a few seconds. You get your signature, and it's that easy, and it even looks way slicker than the first one. And that's it. That is how you can add your signature using Microsoft Word or on Microsoft Word. I hope this video helped you, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Hello guys, once again this is Kim, and I would like to thank you all for watching this video, but don't forget to subscribe to the channel to get more free tutorials for your everyday needs. And come on, once again, let me tell you, it's free, okay? So if you change your mind, you can always unsubscribe later on, but I would suggest not to do that. Please, 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 please.